Merry Christmas.
Yay! What's this one?
Oh, I think those might be for Alan. Look over here. What's
This is a dragon!
Okay, okay. Okay, Ivan, look over here. What's this over here?
Yeah, that was, I don't know what's deep water. Look, water. That's water.
Water, huh? Oh, what is that? Maybe that's a train table.
Yeah.
Is that a table for trains?
I think it's not.
Go sta je.
Which one is mine there?
I think yours is over here. Over here. Oh, yeah, that one's for Posa. Do you want to give Posa a present?